after hearing all these reactions. Una tayo dito muna na para. Iti kadaanan na paniligan, kaya oray iti beneg iti ko natin na salutan. Dagiti Hudyo, napingit ka iti observance ito natin ang purity law. Purity law. Kaya ito adda, iti may sa katao na akuputal. He is not supposed to be exposed in public. He has to be isolated. Kaya malamang iti pakasalitaan, amin akuputal adda iti hubiga, must be placed in the valley of Gehenna. May sa kabaling ijay ikit iti Jerusalem. Dahito'y tinangrugyan yung word na hell Gehenna sa kapsat. A place of turmoil and gnashing of teeth. Ngayon, apa na dito yung parang, we can see Jesus, the inner disciples, and other people eating at the table of a leper person. Nung kitain tayo, kasi gagakay na. Ngayon, panunutin tayo ito kapsay, nga forbidden, iti malakipangan, iti balay, iti may sinagagutan. But taking into consideration the extra-canonical actions in the scriptures, apan nga adu iti tao, iti balay mismo. Nung tanutunan tayo, iti pagdadalayasan ni Jesus, wherever He goes, at the healing that will take place. At the pananagas, whether beside the sea, at the valley, at the mountains, there will always be healing. At the pananagas na mga sakit. And therefore, why Jesus was there, reading between the lines, at the pinarami ni Jesus na panakaagas ni Simon na akuputan. And so after the healing, and then the quick reaction nyo na napaibag kayo, aga po kayo ospital, karamalpas kayo pa ng sakit, at yung suling aramidan kayo. Ako Thanksgiving, right? Ako Thanksgiving. Because Simon, the leper, naibagan sila. And therefore, there is no violation of the so-called purity law. Isunod rin ganda na ito at dati at pag-adol kung natin dyan, at palamit, at tulungan, invited or not. Kapag nag-adol data, while they were eating, while the celebration was going on, at dati may isa na babae, nasaan ka dinama mo? Niya makita na kaya si Arwat na nakabapak na. She was actually a Syrophoenician woman who had witnessed the healing of the Syrophoenician woman while Jesus was on his way to the house of Jairus. Malagay ko diyan, nagkinat na siya babae ng unan, if only I could touch the garments of Jesus, then I will be healed. Upon reaching home, in istorya na ito yung Syrophoenician woman, muan niya pinapasama kentuana, ket daytoy nga babae kayat na tiagyaman kay Jesus in behalf of the Syrophoenician woman who was sick. Awit na, himay sa kadagiti kaninginaan nga bangbanglo, nardo, nga ipresyo na dahito ket 300 dinari, which is equivalent to 300,000 pesos nowadays. Kasano nga na-acquire dahito yung italo yung possibility. Umuna, malamang it's an heir, inheritance from the family. May kadwa, it might be a dowry from the husband, or it might be a gift from a prominent individual. Ngayon may, awit na dahil ko eh. inikat na, dahil ito yung ganin. Once nga rin yung katang ganin niya, sa akin ito siya, ang pag-up niya. Then, dahil ito yung bangbang nito, it could last for 1,000 years. Dahil ito yung imaysa, kadagiti inted dati na Jesus, nga nagapukin Joseph o Arimathea, itinigod ko na isura. Iningkat na na dyan ulo na, pinibugbog na kada dyan ulo na Jesus. No, gibugbog ka, itibang-bang yung ulo, duwa lang kita ipapanan na tayo. It's for an anointing of a king. Anointing of a king. Or an anointing, hindi may sa mga tao na lahat. And therefore, agda, itito natin yung innate na panakaamor kayo na babae who was Jesus. It's actually a concrete action of declaration of who Jesus in your life. Ibubog na. Ingkapil na amin. Awat na pati. The selfless devotion. Regardless ng manutik presyo na ito, wala siyang pakialam. All for the sake of Christ. Ibagayo man, I will give everything for the sake of Christ. Kaya ko din sa mga. All for the sake of Christ. Yan ko yun. Nagdala na, pinipasal. Yan, bubuya. What was the quick reaction of the people? Was there? Nagtanggutog ka? Ano pa eh? Inutausang na pa eh. Binuli na pa eh. Siguro awan ng amuna. Awan ng isalamat kay Tuana. Ano yung justification ba? Inlako na lakuan. Ako inter na, naglakuan na para kalitin. Napakaw. May isu na kataliya eh. Kung mo isu na marami ka. Ha? Nariga. Yan mo dito dahil natin justification tayo. Atin kami nga iraman. Atin kami nga iraman. But what was the action of Jesus? You will always have with you the Lord. At ang mga ito, whatever way, hindi ang namin na wakas, mapaling kayo ng mga ulong sa dakwata. Any time of the day, mapaling kayo umulong kayo sa dakwata. Ngayon, dahil tuwing na babae, inaramit na langit at tumutok sa maalam. It might be the anointing of Jesus as the Son of God, or it might be the anointing of Jesus as the sacrifice. Para kada kayo, para kada para kada yung amin na tatao, including Simon the leper, who in any way mabuli. Going back to Simon. Ano ito mga kasama kung nag-isolate ka? At may isa, you suffer separation anxiety. You are deprived of your right to social interaction. You are deprived of your right to communicate with God publicly. But at that very moment, when he was healed, he has now the ability to invite people and say, I am healed before the presence of God. So come and share with my joy. Yan no, agayat kayo to share with my burden. Naglago lang. Di ba kasulga? Kung gulang ka diya. And so both Simon the leper and the Syrophoenician woman get at the negative background na pagdalgalya sa akin. Simon was healed. Naisupli na dyan po natin yung social life na. Naisupli na dyan capacity to worship the Lord in public and to declare that Jesus is the healer. He made a Syrophoenician woman unknown to everyone, did a great thing before God, but was bullied. But at the end of the day, he made the greatest thing for the Lord, all for the sake of God, forgetting herself. Agasan ko madeti lang ko na di ada pa na ibago na ko. Yan para kay Juana nataltalget di ada di assurance. Ito ka nagpamati. Yan ang talget kaya jay kababago. Kasi na po ka na jay, ila ko na awan di pagtaltalget. As we come before God to receive the body and the cup, may we remind ourselves, there are times when we are like Simon the leper. Kapugan ito kasama kitigyan tayo. We seem so isolated. We seem that we are apart from the world. But for as long as we receive healing from God, we have the right to say, I am healed. I am healed. For as long as we continue to live as the Syrophoenician woman, whatever expression of faith that we declare, whatever rupa, devotion, ipakita tayo, no one and nothing can ever prevent us, because that is your individual conviction to serve God, yung niya capacity na mabalik tayo sa serving. And it is a matter of faith. It is a matter of conviction. It is a matter of, let's say, kinaragsak ng self. Whatever level of that expression, God will always be there, rewarding you. As we journey together as a people of God, today we have a church class in the Philippines. We continue to rebuild people, to restore with confidence, and to have that we are indeed doing something for the glory of God. Ang yaman na ito sila lang hindi makaamon. Ang yaman na ito si Diyos lang hindi makawitness. Ang yaman na ito it is only your church that could witness, an eyewitness to the conviction that we have. Yan hindi at inayon ang mga Pilipinas.